Welcome! The Eldorado SELPAs have created this quick video tutorial to address commonly asked questions. Following the tutorial, we encourage you to explore our professional learning catalog by scanning the QR code at the bottom of the screen. Let's get started.
Navigate to the provider requests in the SEIS dashboard. Select the request you wish to process. For Add Requests and IEP CalPADS changes, you will click the plus sign to be directed to the appropriate SEIS page to complete the request. For all other requests, you will click on the student record icon to be directed to the appropriate page. To decline the teacher's request, click on the prohibition sign and add a comment to communicate to the requester. Click the check mark to indicate the request has been completed. Click the trash can.
Thank you for learning with us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. On behalf of the Eldorado SELPAs, thank you for everything you do to improve the outcomes of students with disabilities.